Unleashed and Lightspeed. At a glance, we can see the two systems work together and share information. Let's explore this a little further. Starting off with our products. Any new product that you create in Unleashed can get passed across into Lightspeed, so you know exactly what products are available for sale. Equally, any new products that are created in Lightspeed can link into Unleashed. As it's important to understand how much stock you have on hand at any given time, stock on hand is passed across from Unleashed into Lightspeed. The most important thing to your business is customers and sales. Unleashed connects the customer records it has to Lightspeed, and Lightspeed will send any sale through to Unleashed as well as new customer records. Unleashed can also integrate with your accounting software to create a business solution for you. If you need further information on the integration between Unleashed and Lightspeed, please have a look at the Unleashed website.